Dad,
Yes, what do you want from me?
please. Tuna.
Okay. I'll give you some tuna treats then. What do you want, Todd?
Piano.
You want me to refill your piano with treats? You want to perform something for me, Toddy? A little Meowtzer. Meowtzer gets his little treats now.
Chicken.
You want Chimkin?
Made by Nacho.
Okay, we'll give you some made by Nacho. And made by Nacho tuna?
Tuna.
Okay, we'll do that then.
Tuna.
More tuna?
Tuna.
Is that what King Todd demands?
Tuna.
Okay, we'll give you more tuna right now. You love your tuna.
Tuna.
And what do you want for dinner, Louie?
Chicken.
You want Chimkin?
Chicken.